Today in this video you will see how to install Python, that means Anaconda Navigator installation. For this we need to go this site. This is anaconda.com. Here we will get the all types of Anaconda products and packages, and after that we need to go to the select products. In products tab we will find the download option. If we click the download option, and then we will get the Anaconda packages for different version, for Windows 64-bit, 32-bit, for Mac OS, Linux, and according to our criteria, as I told that for Anaconda installation we need minimum Windows criteria is Windows 10, and if your Windows is 64-bit, then you will install 64-bit graphic installer, or if your Windows system is 32-bit, then you will download Windows 32-bit graphical installation. If you click this button, then it will start installs. As I have already downloaded this, so I am not clicking. And after downloading, you will see this package, and you need to just double click and open and install this package. Install the software, then you will see in the Windows button that is Anaconda Navigator. See, this is Anaconda. In my system it is installed. In my system it is installed 64-bit, and after that, after installation, I will click this button, Anaconda Navigator. We will do all tasks inside these packages, and I will tell later what is this. We will go to this button, Anaconda Navigator. After opening this Anaconda Navigator, it will looks like that. There will be so many of features, all are different. This launch, here is the launch button. Launch button means these packages are already installed, and the packages which is not present we need to install. That is Glue Image, Orange, Chime Professional, or Art Studio. Art Studio used for data analysis, and mainly we will work in this part. That is Jupyter Notebook, and Jupyter Notebook is already installed. Thank you.